Today, I want to do an experiment to show you how to use the crowding out method to create the life that you love. So today we're going to talk about using the crowding out method to create the life that you love. So this cup represents life, and this dirt represents things that you don't want. Old conditionings, thoughts, feelings, worry, doubt, and fear. So as we worry or as we doubt, this is what happens to our life. And as you'll see, life can get a little dark, a little heavy. Now, one thing that we could do is we could start removing the things that we don't want. And we can focus on the things that we don't want, and we can start removing them. But as you'll notice, as we remove the things that we don't want, we're just focusing on that. And also, you'll notice the clear water is also being removed. And that's our zest for life. Another method that you can use instead of that is you can only focus on adding what you want, what you love. So stop focusing on what you don't want. This represents what we want, what we love. And when we start pouring that in, what you'll notice, I have to pour a little bit more in, but what you'll notice is we get more of what we love, what we want. We're crowding out the stuff that we do not want, the old conditioning, the fear, the worry, and then we're focusing on only what we want. What does that look like? And you'll notice it's getting clearer and clearer and clearer and clearer as we go. What does that mean? If we start focusing on things that we want, gratitude. If we focus on gratitude, if we focus on looking at the mirror at ourselves with love, if we focus on the things that we love, the things that energize us, and act as if we have what we want now, our life gets clearer and clearer and clearer, just like this water. And your life will change over time, and it will never be the same. So use the crowding out method to create the life that you love. Thanks for watching today. Be sure to use the crowding out method to create the life that you love. Use gratitude every day. Look into the mirror with love. Spend time with positive, inspiring people, and do things that energize you. Thank you for watching today. Until next time.